Hello everyone, this is Nate, also known as Rise with Nate, back again with another YouTube video. And today, it's mail time, courtesy of Slight Moto. I have a suspicion I know what's in here. It would be a GoPro Hero 8 with a media mod and a couple of batteries. He's also a jokester, so there's a chance this is just a bunch of styrofoam peanuts, maybe glitter. I also suspect, knowing him, probably a bag of dicks. Who knows? So, I decided we're gonna open this with camera. Why not? Again, crappy cell phone footage. Nothing too big. So, let's see. Alright, well this is hopeful so far. It is a bag. It's a GoPro branded bag. Oh! Aw. Slight. I was hoping for a bag of dicks or something comical. Although I haven't opened this bag yet, so it's hard to say. But sure enough. Alright. I was expecting something comical, but I am surprised. Nothing comical. We've got, looks like some mounts. Different mounting hardware. And a pop filter for a microphone. I wonder if the microphone's in here. I don't think so. Maybe. Oh, it is. There's a lapel mic in here by the looks. Neat. I ordered one on Amazon that was really well reviewed. So I'm going to give this one and that one a shot. It doesn't look like there's any branding on it. I don't know what brand it is, but that's okay. That, and then looks like, okay, so this is a clamp that goes onto the motorcycle handlebar, and then a camera would slot into it, presumably with the extra hardware that is below. So, cool. This will get used on my trip to Wisconsin. Nice. Alright, and the meat and potatoes of it all is a GoPro Hero 8 with the, if I can, there you go, you can see it, with the media mod attached. So this is the real trick to getting better audio with the helmet mic versus what I do now, where you sometimes get feedback. So this is going to be so crucial to getting better audio. I'm going to guess, yep, it just disconnects. And so I'm assuming, oh, one of these is a door. Okay, because the door has to come off with the media mod. So the media mod has to come off for the door. Okay, cool. And I believe, yeah, these are bulk battery chargers? Yeah, bulk battery chargers. And he gave me, you can see it, 3 batteries here. You have to brighten up this footage, I bet. And then 3 batteries here. Oh, dude! Oh, you didn't have to include the SD cards. Oh, man, that's really nice of you. Thank you. Oh, wait, apparently this one has a screen? Oh, and they're all pre-charged. Oh, you really know how to treat a guy, man. And he threw in SD cards. He threw in a 128 gig. And what's this one? Another 128 gig. Holy shit, dude. I didn't need any more SD cards, but thank you. That's going to be, like, really freaking helpful when I go out to Wisconsin here at the end of May. And the cat is complaining because I've closed the bedroom door to make it quieter in here. And now he's upset because he is stuck in here with me. But that's okay. It just goes in like that. Yes. And then media mod goes on like this. Yes. No, I don't think I have. We'll turn on. Yep, I'm stupid. I had the battery going in the wrong way. That would explain all of my problems, because now it clicks and goes in flush. Whoops! Oh, and I saw a light blink, which suggests something is coming to life. And now, he says as he tries to find the button, and now, aha! I appreciate you, sir. This is awesome. I guess I'm still at sort of a loss for words. He was a relative stranger about a year ago, and so was the Ride of a Lifetime and that whole group who were relative strangers a year ago, and now I think it's 1 year today was the Life of Birch meetup last year. Facebook memories showed me, maybe, I think. I forget. I forget what today's date is, actually. 13th, 14th? That doesn't sound right. No, I'll look at the video file. So yeah, it's just amazing a year later the relationships and friendships that me riding a motorcycle has built. Till next time, thank you again, Slight. I really appreciate it, man. That was a weird thud. Either my neighbor did something downstairs or somebody really slammed the front door. Anyway, Squirrel, thank you again, Slight. I really appreciate it, man. We will we'll talk soon on Messenger, and to everyone else, thank you all for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have one.